A very good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am here to teach you the subject English. And for that, what you have to do? You have to take out your English book and page number 32. In our last English class, we have already learnt about the letter I. And dear children, what comes after I? J. What is the letter? J. Capital J, small j. What is the letter? J. Capital J. And this one is small j. Now, here you can see some pictures are there. These pictures are starting with the letter J. These objects are starting with the letter J, like G for jug, G for jug, J-U-G, jug, J for jug, J-U-G, jug. Okay, first one is jug, J-U-G, jug. Okay. Next picture we can see over here the picture of a jeep. J-E-E-P, jeep. It's an vehicle. Yes. J-E-E-P, jeep. It is a jeep. Next, jam. J-A-M, jam. Jam is very sweet. We spread on bread. It is very tasty. Okay. J for jam. J-A-M, jam. Next we can see the picture. Over here is jellyfish. 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 Okay. Jellyfish is a sea animal. Jellyfish is a sea animal. Next picture, over here is the picture of a jelly. 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 Jelly is soft. Jelly is made from sugar and fruit. Okay. It's also tasty. You eat, no? Jelly. 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 Next picture over here is juice. 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 It's liquid that comes from fruit and vegetables. Juice. 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 Next, jigsaw. 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 It's cardboard. Okay. It's cardboard and cut into pieces of different shapes that must be joined together correctly to form the picture again. We play with jigsaw. Okay. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Next, jacket. 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 We wear jacket, no? The first picture we can see here the picture of jug. 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 Next, jeep. 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 Next, jam. 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 Next, jellyfish. Jelly. Jelly. Fish. Fish. Jellyfish. Next, Jelly. Jelly. Next, juice. 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 Next, jigsaw. Jigsaw. Next, jacket. Jacket. Now here you can see how to write the capital J and small j. And we can see over here two pictures are there. Jeep or jacket. Now it is your question is trace and write. So first we can see here how to write capital J. It is capital J. You have to write in your book. First, you have to write capital J. What is the letter? Capital J. Next, what you have to write? Next, you have to write small j. Starting over here and what is the letter? Small j. Look how I am writing. You have to write in your book. Okay. First, you have to write capital J. Then you have to write small j. Next question, you can see here, circle the pictures that begin with the letter J. Here we can see some pictures are given. First picture we can see here, the picture of jug. It is starting with the letter J. Yes, J-U-G, jug. So circle the picture jug. Next we can see here the picture of juice. Yes, juice is also starting with the letter J. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Next, the picture we can see over here, the picture of a hen. Hen is begin with the letter J. No, don't circle. Next, yes, what is this? Jelly. Jelly, jelly. So circle the picture jelly. Next, grapes. 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 Grapes is starting with the letter J. No. So don't circle. Next, jigsaw. 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 Yes, it's also starting with the letter J. Next picture, the picture of a snowman. It is starting with the letter J. No, so don't circle. Next, move to the next page, page number 34. Here you can see your question is draw squares. Means it is a square. So what we have to do? We have to draw squares around capital J and small j. Then join them as shown. Now here we can see so many letters are given. Yes, so many letters are given. Now what we have to do? We have to find capital J and small j. Then we have to draw squares around the capital J and small j. So let's start. So where is capital J? Here. So what we have to do? We have to draw square. Look how I am doing. What is this? Small j. Small j. Capital J. Capital J. Small j. Look. Capital J, capital J, capital J, small j, small j, small j. Now what we have to do? We have to join them as shown. Now we have to join them. Finish. Children, you have to do in your book. Okay. Next, say the names of the picture and write capital J, small j below them. Now, say the name of the pictures. What is this? Jam. J for jam. Next, jug. J for jug. Next, jeep. J for jeep. Next, jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Next, jacket. J for jacket. Next, jelly. J for jelly. Now what we have to do? We have to write capital J and small j below them. So write first capital J, then small j. Okay, first you have to write capital J, then small j. J for jug. J for jeep. J for jellyfish. J for jacket. J for jelly. Children, you have to write in your book. J for jam. J for jog. J for jeep. J for jellyfish. J for jacket. J for jelly. Now children, here you can see one copy is there and question is written. Write the name of two pictures that begin with J. Here you can see two pictures. First picture you can see here the picture of a jug. Jug spelling J U G. Jug. Again you have to write J U G. Jug. J U G. Jug. Next, it's a picture of jam. Jam spelling J A M. Jam. J A M. Jam. J A M. Jam. So children, first you have to write the question. Write the name of two pictures that begin with J. Write the name of two pictures that begin with J. What is the name of two pictures? Jug and jam. Jug and jam. J-U-G, jug. J-A-M, jam. J-U-G, jug. J-A-M, jam. So children, first you have to complete in your book, then you have to write in your copy. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care and bye bye.